Hello FutureMakers, welcome to TeacherPreneur. Recently we went to Play and Learn, which is Singapore-based play area in Mumbai. It was amazing because STEAM education पे बहुत ज़्यादा focus था. When we entered, I was amazed by the huge variety of things that you could do inside the play area. Firstly, we started with musical toys. खुशी देखिए इसके चेहरे पे. Then we made it color-based. All the moms who say that मेरा बच्चा अभी थोड़ा छोटा है play area के लिए, try and do something that your child knows and you can convert anything into a teaching aid, just like मैं यहाँ पे उसको color based करवा रही हूँ. Next, I was really motivating him to go for the slide and look at him climbing independently. My heart just was like, oh. We also went for audio-visual plays. After this, for realistic role play, they have a supermarket. Look at how beautifully and systematically they have made this. I was really happy and I promised myself that when Kian grows up for this realistic role play, I'm gonna get him again to the same play area. And then Kian wanted to play with his grandmother in sand play and look at them having fun. My mother-in-law thoroughly enjoys playing with him and I enjoy watching this side because I can grab some coffee on the go. Play and Learn has clearly become one of my favorite because it gives the correct exposure to my child. Which one is your favorite play area to go with your child? Let us know in the comment section below. And for more such content, subscribe to TeacherPreneur. See you soon.